So Aravaipa Canyon is one of those places that makes you say, wow, this is Arizona? Just 2.5 hours from Phoenix and only an hour from Tucson. This lush wilderness feels like a hidden oasis in the desert. There's towering canyon walls, shady trees, and a year-round creek. It's the perfect mix of adventure and beauty, and it's surprisingly family-friendly. From the trailhead, it's about a 10-minute hike before you're at the water. This hike is not suitable for strollers and is rocky. And this is where the fun begins. The trail is part marked, part follow the creek, which means you'll be splashing, wading, and crisscrossing the water as you explore. Our kids love the freedom of getting their feet wet, spotting little fish, and watching for butterflies and birds. There's also the peacefulness, the sound of running water and the sight of cottonwoods and sycamores swaying above you. It just feels so magical. Every bend in the canyon brings something new to discover. Because Aravaipa is a designated wilderness area, only a limited number of people are allowed in each day. That means you'll want to purchase your permit online before you go, and they often sell out. But the bonus is, it never feels crowded, and you truly feel like you've stepped into a special, untouched corner of Arizona.